ये है मम्मी, ये है वॉइस रखो। अंशु है माय सिस्टर एंड दिस इज आवर S25 अल्ट्रा। तो अभी इसको अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं। चलो अंशु गो फॉर इट। थोड़ा स्पेसिफिकेशंस, ये हमारा पेन के साथ 512, दिस इज द मोस्ट अपग्रेडेड वर्जन वी गॉट। चलो अंशु गो फॉर इट। This is which color wood is?
Silver blue.
Silver blue. So be careful.
I mean,
Now you peel off
the most satisfying thing.
most satisfying. Yes. So now okay. Or it is dead. No, it's dead. इसको अभी थोड़ा चार्जिंग लो था तो हमने चार्ज पे लगाया। लेट्स सी और इट सेज 1% चार्ज। So finally Ayushman has turned on the display. So this is how it looks.
टेम्पर्ड ग्लास नहीं है क्या?
नहीं,
उधर लगा सकते हैं लेंस डिजिटल प्रॉपर्टी कनेक्शन। Start. I'm holding. You do it. Last agree on. Later on, your mom will do the setup. Skip.
मम्मा की सेटअप
skip.
एग्री अलाउ
This is SIM
गैलेक्सी
get connected wireless.
Back.
Back करो.
Back. Don't copy.
What are the offer like?
Time standard you correct.
What are the offer like?
टाइम क्या है?
What are
What
the
is it?
9:29.
Okay. Then date is 22nd over. 23rd. Okay. Time is
इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम।
IST.
नो
Wait. No.
Please
Skip. Don't do all this now. No. Slow. Read and do it.
तुम्हारे रोज भी
Yes, it's all set.
सेटअप इज ब्यूटीफुल। यस
Okay. So it's all done. So just wait. Okay, what did you do? You didn't show only. You didn't want show me from the beginning. What you did? Okay, there's a touch pen is there. Take it out. You need to just press it and it comes out. Okay. Now just turn on the camera. Okay, let us take a look how the camera looks like. Okay, let's click the picture for now. This looks really nice. Good phone. We just need to protect this. We need to have a tempered glass for this and a cover, protective cover. Anyhow, we got this insured for 10,000 rupees. Additional payment. It is the USB.
जोड़ दो चिपके रहता।
He also impatient, Aish. He wants to do everything rather than your study. Look, learn.
सिंगल सिम है क्या? ये सिम 2 में डालो.
SIM 1 में रखा.
सिम 1 में ये वाला डालो.
Then net speed will not be slow, right? Oh, anyhow, you will have Wi-Fi, right?
मैं सिम 3 करो. क्या जैसे से 9% है वो बड़ा स्लो चार्जर.
इसमें से फास्ट लग रहा है. नहीं मेरा केबल
डिटेल्स हो.
यो इधर फोन ही नहीं.
मैं क्या इधर नहीं हूँ.
हाँ अंदर है.
Invoice টা রাখছো?
कैरी बैग दें. ये भर.
इतना बड़ा कैरी बैग.
इनवॉइस
भारी भरकम शॉपिंग किया इससे बड़ा बैग.